Hello everyone, in front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First, unroll the list of all apps and find select settings. Then click on wallpaper. And now it's time to select the source from which you want to choose your wallpaper. It can be one from online wallpapers, editors, pics, news, super wallpapers, or you can also open system wallpapers, or by tapping on find more, you can download some other picture. However, let me choose, for example, this one for my lock screen, or maybe for both. So then decide if it's for your lock screen only or home screen only, however you like. I want to set them on both home and lock screens. And as you can see from now on, it is applied on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.